Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. And in today's episode, we'll be dealing with the background tool. We've already dealt with this, the project icon, the text icon, that's the tool icon. And now we're going to background, very important. So please, if you've not gone through this series, do check our channel and look at the link being displayed on your screen so that you can master the customization and the usage of these tools. Now today we are going into the background tool, which is this. Is that clear? How you can set your background. You need to combine everything you've learned to create a quick banner. You can add gradients to your background, mixing different colors together, different design, so that you come up with a very mighty and professional designs like poster, logos, and even more, your brand identity. So this is your background. You can see the background here is pure white. So on this background, this is your panel. Is that clear? You have color too. Any color you want at all, you can use as your background. If you want to mix gradient colors, different colors together, then this is your option. Is that clear? You can mix them up. You have different design options. Is that clear? So you can mix them the way you want them to be. Okay, then you can, this color panel, number of colors, you can add this plus sign, this minus sign, you can add this field too. So that is that for this is your background too. Then you have transparency. If you don't want your background to hold any color at all, you want a transparent object or image, then this is your option. Then you image size. Already we have templates. Yes, you can select your square, probably for WhatsApp status and so on and so forth. You can use this. Then your profile picture, use this. YouTube channel banner. Yes, you can see 16 by 9. Yes. Then you have YouTube thumbnail. You can see that. And then you have many more. Facebook cover art. And then Google Plus cover photo. Twitter header. You can see them here. So you work on your image size from this. Is that clear? That is that for this. So images, if you want to use an image as your background, then you can import from here if you have some templates. Is that clear? But if you want to import from gallery, then here it is. Import. Okay, let's import this. You can see what's happening. This has become my background. Okay, so now I can now draw whatever I want to draw, insert whatever I want to insert on this. This is my background already. So you can import an image and use for background from your camera directly. You can decide to make use of these. That is that for these. Then if you want to crop your background, crop the image, you can do that. Is that clear? Look at some templates here. Okay, depends on what you want. Is that clear? If you want a circular shape, then tap on this by your left hand side. Can you see this? Tap on this, then work on this. Tap on this, work on this. I hope you are seeing what I'm saying here. So that is that for this. If you want to rotate, use this icon. You want to rotate, use this icon. If you want to lock, you lock it. Is that clear? That is that for this. Take note of this place. Then look at this. Want to work on this, which part? This still rotating too. Okay, then you have this too. If you want to adjust its placement, then if you want to cancel, you cancel with X. If you want to OK, you OK with this. I hope that is clear to you. Yes, that's your background too. Then you have your lightning effect. Okay, yeah, lightning effect. Now let's watch this. Let's go back to this let's return this to this. Okay, all right. The lightning effect, let's assume you want to rotate, you do this. You can see what is happening, right? Yes. Then imagine you want this noise. You can see the noise on the background. Yes, alpha noise. Enhance the noise. Can you see what is happening? Can you see what is happening? So imagine I need a background of this nature. Then automatically this is where you come to. Exactly. We enhance the smoothness. We enhance the roughness. Anyhow you want it to be. I hope you are seeing something here. Then you have the stripes. Okay, you can see that. You can see that. Repetition. You adjust this. Okay. So then you have brightness now. You can work on the brightness if you wish. Okay. Let's undo that. Then contrast. You can work on contrast too. Okay. Then the hue. You can work on it. And then you have the saturation. Exactly. So that is that for the background too. These are the background too. So imagine you want to do a very wonderful design. Let's quickly bring in this. Go to your shape tool now. Let's import a particular shape. This shape. Now let's work on the radius. Yes. Let's work on the color. Let's work on the color. Yes. Can you see the radius? You are working on this radius now. Yes. Then the stroke. Let's stroke it. Yes. Then opacity. Let's work on that. Let's okay it. So I have this. Imagine I want to bring in a text. Let's bring in a text. Letter P. Okay. Increase this text size. Of course, we've explained this too to you. So go through the channel and check it very well so that you can master this. So let's say this is what you want to design. Okay. Let's assume this is what you intended. Take note of this, please. I can decide to manipulate this way. Exactly. Depending on what you want. So please take note of these. So let's adjust this. Let's also adjust this and center it. Exactly. Then me, I can decide to, I personally can decide to do this. This is what I want for now. Exactly. So you can see what I'm obtaining already. So I can now decide to merge these two into one. Yes. Then already I've taught you how to erase color. Let me erase white. Can you see what is happening? I've erased my white. Exactly. Then let's stroke it again. Let's stroke it again. You can see what we are obtaining. Okay. So that is that for this. Let's bring in this. So you can see our background is looking okay. Already we've obtained a particular logo quickly. Just a simple logo. So you can work on this until you've obtained whatever you need or you needed from this. I hope this is clear to you. Then basically this tutorial is for your background. Exactly. So let's go back to background now. Let's manipulate this. Let's bring in this. Can you see this? Let's bring it this. Let's manipulate this. Okay. Our manipulation is perfect. You can see that. Exactly. Or if you want to now mix the color gradient, let's say you want particularly this color, then let's pick the color from the shape. You can see it, you pick it, okay it. Are you seeing this? So you saturate this with this. So now, let me turn off this noise. I turn off this noise. Can you see what's happening? Now let me turn off this. Okay, these stripes. I turn it off. Can you see what you're having? You can see what you're having, right? Yes. So you can obtain this perfectly, and then you have a very wonderful shape. So please look at the background. Can you see what is happening? Look at this design. Yes, you can see how it is. So you can work on your background the way you want it to be. As long as you can imagine it, you can design it. I hope this is clear. So in our next episode now, I'll be dealing specifically with some particular tools, especially this panel. I'll show you perfectly how to use this. I'll show you how to erase properly. I'll show you how to design logo, how to import font size, font style, how to do a lot of things. So throughout these tutorials, I'll be dealing specifically with these aspects until you can master the usage of PixelLab. Thank you for joining us. Stay liquid, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of your day.